The other one is an address at number 17, 4th Avenue, Mablerain. Now, what's interesting about the first address is that the first address of 17 5th Avenue, Mablerain, is an address registered for one of the candidates, the National Assembly candidate for the MDC Alliance. And the second address for, incidentally, 17 4th Avenue is an address indicated for a candidate for the MDC Alliance for councillor for that ward. So it is just really, we'll be curious to see how it is that these addresses got to the voters' roll and what it is that was said or not said to ZEC about whether or not these people live here live at those addresses, which is an electoral issue. It's another cause for concern and interest. It will be interesting to see how this came about, because it's got interesting implications for the integrity of the voting process, as well as the registration process, as well as of the voters' roll itself.